So this very video, I'm making it specifically for those who are into church media, and you know that situation where you have your headquarter streaming their services on YouTube, and then you get the opportunity for you to like key in from your local church. Now, for some of you who already have media, and maybe every Sunday you have the opportunity of sending your feed to your social media platform, but on any particular Sunday when your headquarter is to broadcast their services to your local church, you end up leaving those people online to their own fate. Now, through this video, I want to show you one of the best way that you can still be able to pick up that your video from your headquarter church and be able to restream the same video to your local church Facebook or YouTube page. Now, to do that, you need to make sure that you have either your vMix or you have your OBS. Now, for you, if you don't know what OBS is about, OBS is a streaming application and it is open source. So you can go ahead, download it. You don't have to pay a dime. Then if you also have your vMix, which is another broadcast software, you can also use that. But I'm going to show you how to use the both, and then from there you will be able to know which platform that is best for you. Now, to do this, we are going to open Chrome, and we are going to look for any page that is currently live. So you just watch me and you're going to see how the whole thing is going to work. So we are going to check on my YouTube page. Let's see if anyone that I'm following is currently live streaming. Then while that is also up, on my OBS right here, because you can see I'm kind of using this to record my video. Right, so as you can see over here, Arise TV is currently live because they do more like a 24 hours broadcast. So I want to show you how you can live stream this particular one. So this is Arise TV. Anything I push from here, I can push this very video to my own personal YouTube channel or Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram. Now, what you just simply need to do, click on that very video that you want to live stream. Now, for some people, you might be thinking that you have to like download. Now, this is live. You can't download live video, right? So the only thing you need to do is you go over to here where it says share, and you're going to ordinarily want to copy the embedded link, but the embedded, to some point, I noticed that it's no longer functioning the way it should. So simply what you do is to copy this URL link. Then on your OBS, you come over to your source panel. Then you are going to click on plus. Once you click on plus, you come straight to your browser. Then on the browser, you can easily give it the name, let's say YouTube, just for the sake of this very video, and you click on OK. Then look at this place where it says URL. You're going to highlight, and then you're going to paste that link that you have just copied. That is that URL link. Then make sure that your aspect ratio is the same, like is sizable, that is full HD, because if you don't do that, it will end up cropping your video. So I'm going to input 1920 by 1080, which is the normal full HD size. 1080, okay, sorry, 1080. Once I input that, I can say control audio via OBS. What that means is that right here in OBS, I'll be able to control the audio of the YouTube stream, so that I don't have to keep going back and forth. And also, let me also tell you, for you to be able to do this, you must make sure that you have a very strong internet connection. So try as much as possible not to use anything that has to do with wireless network. You must have to use like a router, maybe 5G, you understand, for high speed connection. And once you're done, just click on OK right here. So once I click on OK, it's going to kind of load up. Now you can see instantly it has started loading. You can see this is already playing live on my OBS. So, and if you notice something, you will see that it's kind of still showing some informations that are on the YouTube page. So look under here, because we did that. See this place where it says interact. click on interact, it now opens this this interface again, where it gives you the opportunity for you to interact with the screen. So by that, you click on the full screen mode. So once you click on this full screen mode, look at it. This is it. Then you can close this. Then
across this country are being affected by.
Now, if you also want to learn how you can stream to multiple platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube all at the same time, you're going to find the link to that video in the description below. Do check it out. I hope this has been very useful to you. Please, if you find this tutorial helpful, do make sure to follow us on our YouTube channel. Click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and follow us across all our social media platforms. Then if you are seeing this video on TikTok, do also make sure to follow, like, save this video, drop a comment, not an emoji please, so that you always and save it so that you always come back to it whenever you need it. So till I see you again, do have a pleasant day.